Hi Niti, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good too. Thank you so much for being here today, and I'm really excited to talk about our one-to-one coaching together and all your wins, all your transformation during these 3 months that we had together. So let's get into it. I would start off with first asking you, like, how was your life before you got into this one-to-one container with me, and what really like motivated you to join the one-to-one coaching with me?
So I was at a point where I was coming to the end of my master's course, and it was kind of like the end. It was gonna be the end of my student era, and I had to kind of like take my first steps into, the real world, like finding a job and figuring out what I want to do as a career. Like I always knew I am interested in psychology and mental health, and that's how I started off my undergrad and then did my postgrad in mental health. But it was such a broad field, and there's so much already happening in the field now, and it felt very confusing because it felt like it's something I'm passionate about at the same time, but the pressure of it was taking out the fun of the career prospects for me. And uh it felt very confusing in terms of locations as well, because I moved countries to study. I moved from India to the UK, and then having to make up my mind about whether I want to move back to India or not. It was something I was not clear on at all. And just working with Pratna, the intention was to um, gain some more clarity on what I desire from life, what a fulfilling life would look like to me, and just take my next steps, not hastily, but intuitively, not clouded by societal judgment, pressure, but rather something that feels aligned to me. Just seeing everything that Pratna does made me feel like this level of alignment is something that I desire in my life, and I want to do something that I'm as called to. And I knew I was on the right path, but I needed that extra element of clarity.
Mm.
And I think it gave me that. I was not 100% sure on whether it was the right time for me to sign up. I thought maybe I finish my master's course and then sign up. But the sooner I got the clarity, I think it was the best thing to do.
Hmm. Okay, awesome. Thank you for sharing that. That's amazing, especially what you said about living in alignment and desiring that kind of life. That's awesome. And how would you describe your life now after the coaching? Like, what changed for you? If you could give me in points or any way of expressing that.
Yeah, so the plan before I worked with you was to apply for assistant psychologist positions, and it was something that felt very draining. It didn't feel like it was something that was exciting me enough. It didn't feel like I was gonna progress much from there further on. And it felt like something that didn't give me enough flexibility over my own life, enough control over my own life, and possibly something I didn't see myself doing in the long term. The only box that it ticked for me was getting to help people with their mental health. And now I'm at a point where, even though I'm open to working as an assistant psychologist and still applying to those jobs, I have found that it's not necessary to kind of have all the answers, but kind of enjoy the process. That's one of the biggest things I've learned, to not kind of pressure myself to uh, gain a particular outcome, because an unhappy process can't lead to a happy outcome. So even while I was studying, trying to make the most of it, even if I felt like at times what I was doing was not the right decision for me to do it. Um, I now started my personal brand in the course of working with Pratna, and it's something that feels so fulfilling to work on. It's something that feels so effortless. It doesn't even feel like work anymore. And it feels so transformative at the same time. Like it feels like I'm genuinely doing something that I'm good at. It feels like I'm doing something that I genuinely want to do, like help people with a particular aspect of their life. And it gives me the flexibility to work with clients who I feel more aligned to, because working with working in mental health care or working as a mental health professional is very broad, but kind of prioritizing my mental health and being able to decide which clients suit my mental state the best, the ones that would feel most called to working with me, the ones who I would feel most able to help. I can now do that with a lot more confidence and ease. So that feels really good because I don't feel as stressed out about the outcome. Like I have developed this level of self-belief that this is gonna turn out great.
Mhm. Okay, that's awesome. So to summarize, I would say, like, as you said, self-belief and more confidence, more clarity on your personal brand, like starting your aligned business, also getting clear on who you want to work with and prioritizing your mental health. And lastly, you spoke about detaching from the outcome and not putting that pressure on yourself, where you attach yourself to the outcomes, but actually enjoying the process, because an unhappy process won't lead to a happy destination. Okay, so really loved those takeaways that you just mentioned. And what would you say is your biggest takeaway from this coaching? Like, what is that one thing that you feel has really shifted for you in these 3 months? Like, just one thing that pops up to your mind. I know it's hard, but just one thing, if you can think of.
Yeah, so many transformations, but if I would have to pick on one thing, it would it would be the spiritual element that I feel like my spiritual side strengthened a lot in terms of believing that me and the universe are co-creating my reality. At first, uh, when I was much younger, I kind of believed in the concept of destiny and that everything happens for a reason. As I grew a bit older and I was a bit more of a rebellious teenager, I was like, to hell with this, it's time to write my own destiny. And now I've kind of realized that there's a combination of both because we have a certain level of control over our life and there's a certain level of surrendering that's involved and certain things beyond our control. So kind of being able to realize the balance between the two and know when which beliefs serve us better is something that I feel like I learned really well from you.
Yeah. Okay, that's amazing. That's awesome to hear. And at the end of the coaching sessions with like whatever we worked on, so initially we started working on mindset and spirituality, and then we started working on strategy towards the end of it, right? Where we spoke about like how do we get on calls, how do we sell, how do we show up with more confidence and increase our visibility. How did you feel at the end of these sessions? Like what feeling did you have when you came out of these coaching sessions?
I felt like I was at the starting line of a running race. Like I felt so ready to run this race. I felt so full of energy and motivation. And it felt so clear. Like it felt like I could just see the finish line and I want to get there. Like I felt really powerful. Like, especially the calls where, we were kind of creating my offer and things like that. Um it felt amazing. It felt like I'm just so ready to go, go, go.
Yeah. And what did that help you? Like, what would you say helped you, show up online like you do on your stories, or helped you book calls with potential clients? What would you say was that missing element or that piece that coaching added that helped you take that action to then book calls and start talking to people, impacting people, and showing up online more?
It was working on very specific, very personalized self beliefs that I had, limiting beliefs that I had.
Yeah.
Uh, like everything that was stopping me from doing this thing that I wanted to do was uncovered one by one and kind of addressed and kind
Mhm.
of unpicked to show me that it is a limiting belief and it's just something that's holding me back and it's not true. Like, even though it is a thought, like each thought is not true, each belief that is fed into us is not true, and kind of being able to decide for myself what thoughts and beliefs serve me and what don't, and then push me to kind of create a set of affirmations or beliefs that kind of work for me, work in my favor, and actually serve me to go ahead in life. That was transformative.
Okay, amazing. That's really good to hear because a lot of people talk about strategy, but mindset, like according to me, is 80% of the missing piece when it comes to showing up online or even in your business. I think mindset is so important because even if you get all the strategy in place, but you don't have that mindset shift that will help you up level or help you get more clients or attract more abundance, then you won't be able to do that because you're either sitting in a place of lack, or you're either too attached to the outcome, or you have this anxious attachment style with your clients, like we spoke about. Okay, amazing. And for the last two questions, who would you recommend this one-to-one coaching to?
would recommend it to anyone who's feeling unsatisfied or unclear with their next steps in their career. Like anyone who's feeling unsatisfied with their career currently, or anyone who is um confused about their next career steps, because I feel like in today's world we just have so many options. Like we aren't confined in any way. Like the internet is at our fingertips. We have all the resources available to us to kind of uh, be out there and create something for ourselves. But what stops us is our mind, our limiting beliefs. And anyone who desires something more from life, anyone who desires fulfillment from their career, like for anyone who is seeing their career as a means of living a fulfilled life, not just through a financial means, someone who wants more from their career in terms of satisfaction than just a financial outcome. This definitely gives you a financial outcome, and it also gives you a lot of fulfillment beyond what finances can give you.
Mm-hmm.
Like there are careers that are very financially fulfilling, but this kind of creates fulfillment in multiple areas, emotionally, financially, and it just unblocks all your limiting beliefs. It kind of gives you a new perspective to yourself, to the world, and step into your power. So
Mm-hmm.
anyone who desires that should work with you.
Okay, awesome. And what would you say to someone who's on the fence of getting into this one-to-one coaching, like who's like on the edge of it, who's thinking about whether to get it or not?
I would say do it sooner than later, because like you're gonna regret it if you don't do it.
Mm.
Uh, Pratna is not the kind of person to be super salesy and pushy about it, because she gives very honest advice. Like when I was deciding when to start my coaching with her, she kind of left the decision to me. It was completely my decision on when to start working with her, and I'm so glad that I took her advice in terms of starting when she advised me to start. But it would have been so easy for me to push starting with her, because it's something that our mind is used to, right? This is kind of signing up for a change. Our minds are gonna create certain level of resistance for us, but pushing through and signing up is just the first step to like a much bigger transformation. And I would say do it sooner rather than later, because like there's no time to waste in terms of stepping up into your power and living a more aligned life.
Mm. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Those are all the questions I have for you. I loved your answers. I loved the way you articulated yourself. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your time. It was such a pleasure working with you, and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Take care. Bye, Niti.
Bye.